Once upon a time in a small town, there lived a young man named Rohan. He wasn't the smartest student in his class. In fact, he failed his exams twice. But what made Rohan different was his belief. He believed that hard work could change destiny. While others laughed at his failures, Rohan decided to try again. Every morning, before the sun rose, he was already awake, reading, practicing, and learning from his mistakes. When his friends went out for fun, Rohan stayed home, working silently toward his dream. One day, his teacher noticed him sitting under a streetlight, studying late at night. She walked up to him and asked, "Rohan, why are you working so hard when you've failed so many times?" Rohan smiled softly and said, "Because failure only means I haven't won yet, but I will." Those words touched her heart. Months passed. Rohan faced more struggles. Sometimes no money for books, sometimes no electricity at home. But he never stopped. Every night he repeated to himself, "I may be slow, but I'll never stop moving forward." Years later, Rohan cleared his exams, not just with passing marks, but with distinction. He went on to start a small business in his town. At first, no one believed in him, but he worked harder than anyone else, waking up before dawn, learning from his failures, improving every day, and slowly. His small shop turned into a successful company. The same people who once laughed at him now respected him. When asked how he did it, Rohan said something simple. Success doesn't come from luck. It comes from doing what others aren't willing to do, consistently. He paused and added with a smile, "Hard work doesn't guarantee success overnight, but it always guarantees growth." So, my friends, whenever you feel like giving up, remember Rohan's story. Your speed doesn't matter. Your background doesn't matter. Only your effort does. Because the truth is, hard work may take time, but it never fails.